Let's create one more tutorial in FreeCAD. In this video you'll learn to use pad, pocket and thickness. So open the FreeCAD and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create this circle with 20 millimeters of diameter. And we will create this circle here with 30 millimeters of radius. And then we will create this rectangle. So open the FreeCAD, go to create a sketch, top plane, select a circle, make a circle here with 20 millimeters of diameter, and select center arc, click here in the midpoint, make an arc here with 30 millimeters of radius, and select polyline. We will make this rectangle. The distance between this line here and the center point is 120 minus 30, 90 millimeters. So make a rectangle here. And go to dimension. The distance between this line and the midpoint is 90 millimeters. And leave the sketch. Go to pad. We need to extrude this and the distance will be 20 millimeters. So the length here, 20 millimeters, and press OK. Now select this face and select create a new sketch. And go to external projection. And select this face here. And here we will make this rectangle. The distance between this line here and the bottom face here, 16 millimeters. And the length of this line here is 20 millimeters. So select a rectangle. Click here in this point, make a rectangle here, 20 millimeters. And go to dimension. The distance between these two lines here is 16 millimeters. And leave the sketch. Go to pocket. Select this profile. And the type here, select it through all. And press OK. Now we need to hollow this body. And the thickness of this body is 2 millimeters. So go to thickness. Select the face that we will remove, the top face. Like this, the top face was removed. And the thickness here is 2 millimeters. And press OK. And here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more. And see you in the next videos. Bye bye.